Okay, girls, so today we will start a new lesson how we will divide decimals by whole numbers by using a model. So I hope that all the girls here in the session, all of you here, okay. So girls, you know that we learn how to multiply the decimal number with a whole number by using a model. In this chapter, we will learn how to divide decimal number by whole number. Our lesson today, how to divide those numbers by using a model. Okay, so please open your books on page 299 to solve the exercises and see how we will divide the numbers. Okay, how we will divide the decimal number on whole number by using a model. If my voice is clear for you, please type 1 in the chat, girls. Okay, thank you. So okay, so please one look at this example. You remember how we use base 10 blocks to find or to represent the decimal number. Okay, thank you, girls. So you remember that to represent the decimal number, there is a model that we use it in all chapters. The model is base 10 blocks, which is the cubes, the longs, the flats. Okay, so we will use this in this lesson. Let's take a look at this division. Look at this number, 1.6 tenth divided on 4. I want to divide 1.6 tenth. Okay, you remember that in decimal number, the tenth will be represented as a long, right? It will be represented as long. So I have here 6 long, okay, and 1 flat. Okay, I will draw it for you. Look at this, 1 flat and 6 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, girls, so I have 1 flat because the flat represents the ones in decimal number, and 6 longs because the tenth represented by the longs in tenth number. Now I want to divide this on 4. How I will do that? Look, I can divide the 6 down. I can divide it to 4. But what about the one flat? To divide the one flat, to divide the one flat, I have to break the flat. I have to break the flat into 10 longs. You know that each flat consists of 10 longs. So I have to break the flat into 10 longs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I divide the flat into this flat, break the flat into 10 longs. So how many longs will be with me for this number? Look, 6 longs from the 10th digit and 10 longs from the 1st digit or the flat. So how many longs will be with me? 10 plus 6 equals 16. So if you divide 16 on 4, each group will take what? Look, you know that 16 divided 4 equals what? 16 divided 4. Who will tell me? Okay, I have a cold, Larissa. Everything is good, don't worry. So 16 divided 4, thank you girls, 16 divided 4 equals what? Equals 4. Okay, equals 4. So each group will take 4 longs. Each group will take 4 longs. That means the answer for this division is 4. The answer for this division is the number in each group. Okay, this is how I will divide by using base 10 blocks. The first one, sorry, of course here I have 4 longs, but the long represent what here? Represent what? The 10th digit. That's mean I have 4 tenths. Very good, Larissa. 4 tenths. That's mean that the 4 will be in 10th digit. 0.4. This is the answer for the division, because the long in decimal number represent the 10th number. Okay, this is how I will find the quotient in decimal number by using a model. Of course, next lesson will be about division with strategy without a model, but you have to understand the model to know how we will divide the number, the decimal number. Now, if you write the answer in the first one, please type 1. Okay, just write this answer because already this written in your book. Now number 2, look at number 2. Number 2 is what? Number 2 is 3.42. You know that 3, the ones number represented by the flat. So I have 3, that's mean I have 3 flats. 3 flats here. And I have 4 in the 10th. Okay, Lana, now we will repeat. In this example. So focus with me, please. Okay, so I have 3 in the ones. 3 ones. That's mean I have to represent the ones. The ones digit in base 10 blocks represented by the flat. That's mean I have to draw 3 flats. And I have 4 tenths. The 10th represented with long. Okay, so I have to draw 4 longs. I will draw it here for you girls. This is 3 flats and 4 longs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, girls. So, and how many cubes I have? I have two small cubes. 2 small cubes. That's mean 2 in the hundreds means 2 small cubes, because the hundreds represented with the small cubes. This is the base 10 blocks that represent the number 3 flats, 4 longs, and 2 small cubes. Okay, girls. So I want to divide this model on 3. Let's start with the flats. I have 3 flats and I want to divide it on 3. That means each group will take what? 1 flat. 1 flat. Each group will take 1 flat because I want to divide on 3. So each group will take 1 flat. Okay? What about the longs? I want to break the longs on 3. So each long will take what? Look, I will take the first one to the first group, the second one to the second group, the third one to the third group. That means each group will take what? Will take one flat. So each group will take 1 flat. sorry, one long, I'm sorry. So each group will take one long. There is one long left with me and two cubes. I want to divide it on 3. How I will do that? Okay, both will be the same. Both must be the same. This is one long and two cubes. You know that from base 10 blocks that I can break the long into 10 small cubes. So if you break this long into 10 small cubes here, you remember that from base 10 blocks. So I have 10 small cubes. This is 5 and this is 10. Okay, so how many small cubes I have? I break this long into 10 small cubes, and already I have 2. So how many small cubes I have? Look, I have already I have 2. Girls, I have 2. And I break this long into 10. So 10 plus 2 equals what? 10 plus 2, you gave me the final answer? Okay, thank you. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So I want to divide 12 small cubes on 3. Divide the 12 small cubes on 3. Each one will take what? 12 divided 3. Thank you, Larissa. 12 divided 3. 12 divided 3 equals what? Equals 4. That's mean each one will take 4 small cubes. Now I want to find the answer. The answer will be what? The answer, this is the answer. The answer will be 1 flat. 1 flat, that's mean ones. That's mean 1 in the ones digit. The one long. 1 long means tenth. That's mean I have 1/10. So I will put the point and put 1/10. 4 small cubes. That's mean I have 4 hundredths. So I will I will put 4 in the hundredths. So this is the final answer. 1.14 hundredths by using base 10 blocks. If you finish, girls, please type 1 in the chat. Okay, now I will start with number 3. Yes, Lana, help me please to divide 1.8 on 3. First thing, Lana, 1.8. I want to draw a model represent 1.8. What I have to draw? Lana?
1 line.
Look, the ones represented with flats. Ones represented with flats. That's mean I have 1 in the ones. That's mean 1 flat. Okay? You have to remember the thousands. You know, the first lesson in this in the decimals. So the ones represented with a flat. Now, what about the tenth? You know that the tenth represented with what?
Longs.
With longs. How many longs I have to draw?
8.
Very good. 8 longs. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I want to divide it what? On 3. Must be all the same. What I have to do with the flat, Lana? What I have to do with the flat? You know that the flat consists of 10 longs, right? So I will divide it into 10 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excuse me, please, for this drawing. So how many longs I have in all numbers? This is 10. Very good. And this is 8. That's mean I have how many longs? I have 18. So I have to divide 18 longs on 3. 18 divided 3. Lana.
Equals
18 divided 3 equals yes, equals 6. Very good. So I have 6 longs. The number left with me, because I divide 18 longs on 3, so I have 6 what? Longs. So the number is 6 longs. The longs represent which digit, Lana? The long represent which digit? 10th. Very good. That's mean I have 6 in the 10th. Right?
It will be
0. Yes.
0.6.
Very good. Who asked me? I think you have a question. Thank you, Lana. Why we break the flat? Larissa, can you divide one flat on 3? Of course you can't. You can't divide one flat on 3. So what I have to do? I have to break it into longs and divide all the longs on 3. Now I want to divide 3.6 on 4. Okay, so I will erase this model, girls. It's okay. Or you want to draw it, girls? You have to write the answer only. The model you can draw it to understand how we found it. Okay. So let's see. Yes, Larissa. Where's your name? Okay, Larissa, open your mic and let us divide 3.6 on 4. What is the building blocks, the model?
3 in the ones place means 3 flats.
Very good. I have 3 flats. And how many longs?
6.
6 longs. Very good. So I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, first thing, I want to divide on 4. So can I divide 3 flats on 4?
No.
Okay. So
I should break one?
I should break all the flats into each one will be what?
30.
Each one will be
10.
10. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, girls, so I will break only the first one. The second one also will be 10, and the third one will be 10 also. Okay, so the same thing. Okay,
So we add them and they be
so
30.
yes, the first one is 10, the second one is 10, and the last one is 10. So how many tens I have?
The 33.
30, and I have already 6. That's mean the number
36.
I have 36 what? Longs. You have to focus. You have 36
Divide them by 4.
longs. I have to divide them by 4. So
And there will be 9.
very good. 9 what?
Tenths?
9 tenths. Very good. 9 longs, guys. You have 9 longs. Focus what you are breaking or what we are dividing. 9 longs. That means this 9 will be where? In the 10th, as you said. So the answer will be 0.9. Thank you, Larissa. Thank you so much. When you finish, girls, please type 1 in the chat. welcome. So okay, I will continue to number 5. So I want to divide 2.5 on 5. Very good, Lama. Okay, so let's see the first one, 2.5 divided 5. Okay, so will answer me. Yes, Ma'ab, open your mic. I have 2.5. How many flats I have? Ma'ab? Okay, I think Ma'ab can't open the mic. Okay, Rinad, open the mic.
Yes, teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How many flats I have to draw?
2.
2 flats, very good. And how many longs?
5.
5 longs, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to divide all those on 5. How? So what I have to do with the flats?
Break them.
Break them. If you break one flat, it will consist of how many longs?
10.
10, very good. So the first one is 10 and the second one?
Also 10.
Also 10. That's mean I have 10 plus 10 equals what?
20.
20 plus 5 equals what?
25.
25. Now I have 25 what? Longs.
Divided
I have to divided it on 4 and on 5. The answer will be
equal 5.
5 what?
5 longs.
La, 5 longs. Very good. So this means the answer will be what?
0.5.
Very good, Rina. Thank you so much. 0.5. Thank you, girls. Now what about number 6? Yes, Reem, open your mic. And yes, my dear, tell me, I want to divide 2.4 on 8. Yes, dear. Who is talking?
Teacher.
Okay, Ma'ab, just 1 minute. Okay, I will give you another exercise, my dear. Now, Reem, yes, I want to divide 2.4 on 8. 2 flats. Okay, how many flats I have? I'm sorry, I answered 2 flats. Okay.
It's okay. 2.
Now, how many longs I have?
4.
4. Okay, 4 longs. Very good. Now I want to divide those on 8. So how I will do that? I have to break
The boxes 10 times.
the flats, not boxes.
The
Okay.
flats, I mean.
Okay. This one will consist of
10.
very good, and this one
10.
that's mean the number of flats 10 plus 10
20.
20 plus 4
24.
very good. Now 24 flats. I want to divide it on 8. 24 divided 8
Equal 5. Remainder 4.
equals what? 24
5.
divided 24 divided 8.
5. Remainder 4.
No, 24 divided 8 equals
5. 3.
3. 3 longs. So the answer will be what, 3?
0.3.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Reem. Thank you, my dear. So when you finish, girls, please type 1 on the chat just 1 time, guys. Okay, I will erase on this side, and to solve number 7. Now Now what about number 7? Let's see. Aryaf, yes, Aryaf, open your mic, my dear. Aryaf,
Okay, teacher, yeah.
yes. How many flats I have to draw here with this number 3.78?
3.
3 flats.
3 flats.
And how many longs?
7.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What about the 8?
The 8.
Yes. I have to represent it with small.
What do you mean 8?
The 8 here.
Oh yeah.
With the small cubes, right? I have to draw
Yeah.
small
8
cubes.
small cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Now let us divide.
Teacher, I have another idea. I can make it directly.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, so 3 multiplication, 3 divided 3 equals 1.
That's what I want
And
to say.
7 divided by 3 equals 2.
Okay, but
It's less than 7 for one step.
okay. Riyaf, please. We will do this strategy next lesson. Okay. Now we will do this.
Okay.
We will do the strategy that we learned. Please. This strategy will be next lesson. So look, how many flats I have? I have 3. Divided it on 3. That's mean each one will take what?
1.
1. Each one will take 1 flat. Now, what about the longs? You have 7 longs.
7.
You can divide the whole 7 on 3.
Everybody is gonna take 2.
Okay, but there is 1 left with me. Everyone will take 2. Okay? Everyone will take 2. Right? So,
Yeah.
everyone will take 2 longs. But there is 1 left with me. What I have to do with this one?
10.
Yes, I have to
10
break
cube.
10 cubes. Very good. It will be what? 10 cubes. 10 small cubes. 10 small
Yeah.
cubes. Okay, I'm sorry. 10 small
Divided
cubes.
by
Already
18.
I have how many? 8.
Now I have 18 cubes.
Very good. So 18 divided what? 18 small cubes.
18
Divided on 3
divided by 3 equals 6.
equals 6. Very good. So I have 6 what? Small cubes. Now, what is the answer?
Now we have 6 cubes. The small one.
Okay,
The
what is
big
the
one, 1.
The flat will be 1 in the ones.
1. The flat
Point.
1.
What about the 10?
Point 2.
Very good.
And then 26.
Then the 6 in the
6.
hundreds because I have 6 small cubes. Very good, Arya. Thank you, my dear. So, what about number 8? Okay, girls, I will erase this model. Is that okay? What are you talking on the flat? Why I answered and solved the exercise? Please don't talk to each other, girls. Now let us see 1.33. Okay. Yes, Ma'ab, could you please help me now? Ma'ab. I think Ma'ab, you have a problem. Okay. Yes, Ragad, open the mic. You have to press raise hand. Ragad, press raise hand please when you want to answer.
Yes, teacher.
Press raising hand. Okay, now I want to represent 1.33. 1.33 equals how many flats I have?
1.
1 flat, very good. How many longs?
3.
3, very good. How many small cubes?
3.
3. Very good. Now I want to divide it on 7. Okay, let's see. I have to do what with this flat? I have to break it into 10.
Break it into 10.
10 long. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So how many longs I have? 10 plus 3
13.
equals 13. Can I divide the 13 on 7?
No.
What I have to do?
I will divide.
Look, I will take only, look girls, I will take only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those seven longs, can I divide it on 7? Can I divide 7 longs on 7? 7 divided
Yes.
7?
Yes.
7 divided 7? Ragad.
Equals 1.
Equals 1. Very good. That means I have 1 long. How many longs left with me? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
There is 6 longs left with me and 3
Cubes.
little cubes. So to divide those on 7, what I have to do, I have to break all those into small cubes. So each one will be 10. So 10 small cube here, and 10 here, and 10 here, and 10 right here, and 10 right here, and 10 right here. So add those 10s. Yes, Ragad.
60. It will
60 plus 3.
63.
63 small cubes. Divided it on 7. 63 divided 7.
63.
Quickly, please.
Wait.
Okay, I will wait. 63 divided 7. It's 9. It's 9. That means I have 9 small cubes. 9 small cubes.
1 cube.
Okay, so what is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the number, Ragad?
It will be 9.
1 long, that means I have 1 in the 10th. 9 small cubes, that means I have 9 in the hundreds. Very good.
0.19.
Very good, Ragad. Thank you so much for helping me. Okay, girls, so we will stop here, girls, because the period is finished. So we will not solve number 9, 10, and 11. You can take it as a homework and solve it and draw the model and divide it. Okay. So this is our lesson today, girls. Thank you so much for attending. Don't forget to do the homework and send it for me. Don't forget to study for the competition, because on Thursday you have a competition. So